I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Elaine D asked me about making a reel for the cord that I got from Harbor Freight. Hello Elaine. I already had one. I picked this up at Tractor Supply. Usually I would get one of these at Harbor Freight, but the price is the same. And they had them there on the shelf when I was there yesterday, so I stopped and picked one up. I like these. They're pretty simple. This one's got some flashing on it. Well, that's not cool. Where the ejection pins came through, they never cleaned it up. Maybe Harbor Freight is better than Tractor Supply. I never had this with the ones from Tractor Supply. So I'll just take my jackknife and cut them off. Yep, the ejection pins, the stuff just leaked past them. Now, I didn't check it before I picked it up because it's pretty much a given. But I'm going to look at the paperwork. Well, that's better, but it's not right yet. That's annoying, because I was going to give him a recommendation. I've been buying similar reels to this one for quite a while, but never ran into that. Let's see. This is a cord manager. 100-foot cord storage reel. Protects cords. This is called a cord manager. Spelt with a K. 100-foot cord storage reel. Protects cords, great for home or work, easy to use, and the same thing in 2 different languages. 100-foot capacity of 16.3. This is number 12. Might not fit, but we'll see. Made by Bayco Products Incorporated, 640 South Saddened Road, Wiley, Texas. Bayco Products, made in USA. Well, that is disappointing. California Proposition 65 warning. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. American-made product. First thing I had to do is fix it. That's not good. I'm going to have to send a message off to Bayco Products Incorporated, 640 South Saddened Boulevard, Wiley, Texas. Their email address is baycoproducts.com, and their phone number is 1-800-233-2155. Simple thing like having worn ejection pins that lets the plastic flow into the die. That's unforgivable. Just total crap. You're losing my respect, and you're telling people that you're made in my country. That pisses me off. Now we're going to carry on. I've managed to fix it. I don't like being quality control for somebody who should be their own. Now I wind up the cord. Well, it held the cord. That's good. So this is the good part about the cord. This sliding handle lets you use this other handle to wind the cord up tight. Then you can plug this into the wall and just walk away. I like the cord. I like the idea of the cord reel. Not happy with the way the cord reel came to me. It was a minor thing. They used ejection pins in this space here to push the part out of the die. That's not a failure. That's just something that you do. But when they let the ends of the ejection pins wear down to the point where plastic flowed out into the die and filled this cavity so that this piece wouldn't turn, that's a basic functional failure. That shouldn't happen. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Now I'm going to hang this out in the garage with the other ones. I have 3 other reels similar to this one. This is going to be the last one I get from Tractor Supply. And I'm going to sit down and write an email to Bayco. That's annoying. Thanks for watching.